Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Gboard and system versions because outdated builds cause crashes. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary issues and free memory. This often restores responsiveness. Next, go straight to Settings, right arrow Languages and Input, and make sure Gboard is selected and has proper permissions. If it's disabled, enable it now. These early steps remove common blocking causes, so you can proceed to targeted fixes without wasting time on trivial. Now focus on the core fixes. Clear Gboard cache to eliminate corrupted temp files. If problems persist, clear app data, but export your personal dictionary first so you don't lose shortcuts. After that, update Gboard from the store or reinstall it to ensure a clean install and current bug fixes. Once reinstalled, reset keyboard settings and redo voice typing and gesture training where applicable. These steps address corrupted state, outdated code, and misconfigured features that commonly break typing behavior. Finish with advanced diagnostics. Check for conflicting third-party keyboards or IMEs and disable them because they can intercept input. If instability continues, boot into safe mode to see if a background app is responsible, and temporarily disable accessibility services or VPNs that modify input. Test thoroughly after each change. If nothing works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. If the issue remains post-reset, contact device support. Often a hardware fault or deep OS bug is to blame.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.